this video, I will explain you how to create student perception survey. First, you need to click Add-ons, Coffee Forms, Load Form Templates, and then search Student and choose the template, and click Load Selected Templates. So you can check the dashboard, responses, question, also settings. After you refresh the page, click Coffee Forms and click Get Link. Click Continue and then choose your account. Click Advance and then go to Coffee Form. Click Allow. After that, you can get the link and copy it and then paste it into your search engine. Now the template is ready to use. You can also edit it in your Google Spreadsheet. For example, the questions. You can add a new row like new questions. For example, I can easily do the task. Yes, just save it and then refresh the page. So the question is now I can easily do the task. Or you can add new word like task math. Refresh the page and you see the new word. Also, you can delete the row that you don't want to show on the template and it will disappear instantly. And you can also edit the title. For example, Student High School. So the title will change. Thank you.